Hello students, today we shall learn to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, ascending order means we write the smallest number first and the bigger one and the biggest one at the last. So we have two questions. Question number 1 is 5 to the power 1 by 2, 10 to the power 1 by 4 and 6 to the power 1 by 3. So we are asked to arrange these numbers in ascending order. We write the smallest one first and the bigger one and the biggest one at the last. Okay, similarly we have question number 2 as well. So we are asked to arrange this number as well in the ascending order. Okay, arrange the following in ascending order. So let us proceed with question number 1. After that we will do question number 2. Okay, so question number 1, 5 to the power 1 by 2. This is the first number, and the second number is 10 to the power 1 by 4. Third number is 6 to the power 1 by 3. 6 to the power 1 by 3, isn't it? So these three are the numbers. We are asked to arrange these three numbers in the ascending order, isn't it? So what we do is we take the LCM of the denominators of power. Okay, power is 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3, isn't it? So we take the LCM of the denominators of power, 2, 4 and 3. Okay, 2, 4, 3. So the LCM will be 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and this 3 we write here as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. LCM is 12, isn't it? LCM is 12. So now what we do is 5 to the power 1 by 2, isn't it? So 5 to the power 1 by 2 into 12 upon 12. LCM is 12, isn't it? LCM of this denominators is 12. So 12 upon 12. When we multiply and divide by 12 and 12, this 12 and 12 can be cancelled and 1 remains here. So 1 upon 2 into 1 is 1 upon 2. So what I mean to say is the value of this number doesn't change, isn't it? Similarly, 10 to the power 1 by 4 into 12 upon 12. 12 and 12 is cancelled, 1 remains here. 1 by 4 into 1 is 1 by 4, isn't it? The value of this whole number doesn't change. Similarly, 6 to the power 1 by 3. 6 to the power 1 by 3 into 12 by 12. This 12 and 12 can be cancelled. So 1 remains here. 1 by 3 into 1 is 1 by 3. So 6 to the power 1 by 3 remains as it is, isn't it? Now, let's cancel this. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, isn't it? Now we have 5 to the power 1 into 6 is 6. In the denominator we have 1 into 12, 12. 5 to the power 6 by 12, isn't it? 5 to the power 6 by 12, we can write this number like this. 5 to the power 6 whole 1 upon 12. This means 6 into 1 is 6. This 6 and 12 is in the denominator. So 12 will remain in the denominator. Okay. 6 1s are 6. So 12 remains in the denominator. Similarly, 10 to the power 1 into 3 is 3 by 12. 10 to the power 3 by 12. 10 to the power 3 by 12, isn't it? So 10 cube whole 1 by 12. Okay. So 3 1s are 3. This 12 remains in the denominator. Similarly, 1 into 4 is 4, 4 by 12, isn't it? So 6 to the power 4 upon 12, 6 to the power 4 whole 1 by 12. Okay, so 4 1s are 4, 12 remains in the denominator. Now, 5 to the power 6. The value of 5 to the power 6 is, let me explain this here. 5 to the power 6 means 5 multiplied 6 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 5 to the power 6 means 5 multiplied 6 times, isn't it? So 5 multiplied 6 times will give us 15625. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. 125 into 125 will give us 15,625. So 5 to the power 6 means 15,625. This 12 will remain here as it is, okay, 1 by 12. Similarly, 10 cube means 10 multiplied 3 times, 10 into 10 into 10, okay, 10 cube, 10 multiplied 3 times. So 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000. To the power 1 by 12 will remain as it is, 1 by 12. 6 to the power 4, 6 to the power 4 means 6 multiplied 4 times, isn't it? 6 to the power 4 means 6 multiplied 4 times. 6 to the power 4 means 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 6 multiplied 4 times. This is 36. 6 6 are 36. 36 into 36 will give us 1296. Okay, 1296. So 6 to the power 4 is 1296. Raised to power 1 by 12 will remain here as it is, 1 by 12. So now we can see all these three numbers have power 1 by 12, 1 by 12, 1 by 12. Powers are same, isn't it? If powers are same, what we do is we just check the number, which one is the greatest among the, smallest among this number, okay? So we can clearly see that 1000 is the smallest one, which means 1000 comes from this number, isn't it? 10 to the power 1 by 4. 1000 comes from this number, 10 to the power 1 by 4. This means 10 to the power 1 by 4 is the smallest one. 10 to the power 1 by 4 is the smallest one. The next number among these two is 1296 is the smaller than this. 1296 is smaller than this. So 1296 comes from this number, 6 to the power 1 by 3. 6 to the power 1 by 3. And then the biggest one is, or the greatest one is 15625, and this number comes from this number, 5 to the power 1 by 2. 5 to the power 1 by 2. So we were asked to arrange these numbers, 5 to the power 1 by 2, 10 to the power 1 by 4, and 6 to the power 1 by 3 in the ascending order, and we have arranged this number in ascending order. 10 to the power 1 by 4 is the smallest one, 6 to the power 1 by 3 is a little bigger than this, and 5 to the 1 by 2, 5 to the power 1 by 2 is the greatest among all these three numbers, okay? I hope you got this. Now let us do question number 2. Okay, now let us do question number 2. So we are asked to arrange these numbers in ascending order, isn't it? So first what we do is we take HCF of the powers, okay? So powers are 60, 48, 36 and 24, isn't it? So 60 means 60 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. How do we find these factors? We find factors like this, okay? 2 3s are 6, 2 0 is 0. 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. When we multiply all these numbers, we get 60, okay? I hope you know how to find the factors, isn't it? Now, the next number is 48. Next power is 48. We find the factor of 48 as well. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. And the next number is 36, isn't it? 36 means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. And the next one is 24. 24 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. We found the factors of these numbers, isn't it? Now let's find HCF. HCF is this. So the first number is 2. Again we can make next pair of 2. So this 2 we write here 2. Now we cannot make the pair of 2 because we don't have 2 here in this line. So we can make the pair of 3, isn't it? So this 3, 3, 3 in the first line, 3 in the second line, 3 in the third line, and 3 in the fourth line. So this 3. Now we cannot make the pair of 2 and 3 or 5. Okay, so the HCF is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12. HCF is 12, isn't it? Now we know the HCF. HCF is 12. So we have 2 to the power 60, isn't it, into 12 by 12. Okay, so 48, 3 to the power 48 into 12 by 12. 4 to the power 36 into 12 by 12. Next number is 5 to the power 24 into 12 by 12. This 12 and 12 can be cancelled, so 1 into 60, the value doesn't change, it remains 60, isn't it? So what we do now is 12 ones are 12, 12 5s are 60. Okay, 12 ones are 12, 12 4s are 48. 12 ones are 12, 12 3s are 36. 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24. Now this is 2 to the power 5 into 12. 2 to the power 5 into 12, isn't it? This number we can write like this: 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 12. 5 into 12. 5 into 12 is 5 into 12. Okay, so we can write this number in this way. 2 to the power 5 into 12 can be written as 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 12. Okay, 3 to the power 4 into 12, which means 3 to the power 4 to the power 12. 4 into 12, this 4 into 12. 4 to the power 3 into 12, so 4 to the power 3 into 12. Next number is 5 to the power 2 into 12, so 5 to the power 2 into 12, isn't it? Now let's find the values of 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 is 32, isn't it? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is 2 to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So 2 to the power 5 means 32 whole to the power 12. Okay. Next number is 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 12, isn't it? 3 to the power 4 is 81. Okay. 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. 3 to the power 4 means 81 whole to the power 12. We write here as it is. 4 cube. 4 cube means 4 multiplied 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. That is 64, isn't it? 4 4s are 16 into 4. So 4 6 are 24, 4 1s are 4, 5 6, 64. 4 cube means 64 whole to the power 12. 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25 whole to the power 12. So you can see the powers are same for all these numbers: 12, 12, 12 and 12. Now we have these numbers 32, 81, 64 and 25. Among these numbers, which one is the smallest one? Obviously we can see the smallest one is 25, isn't it? So 25 comes from this number 5 to the power 24. So the smallest one is 5 to the power 24. We are asked to arrange these numbers in ascending order, isn't it? So we write the smallest one first, and the next number greater than 25 is 32. So 32 comes from 2 to the power 60. So we write 2 to the power 60. Okay, and then the third number out of these two numbers, 64 and 81. 64 is the smaller one, so 64 comes from this number, 4 to the power 36. 4 to the power 36. And the last, the greatest one is 81. 81 comes from this number, 3 to the power 48. 3 to the power 48. Okay, so this is the ascending arrangement of these numbers. Okay, 2 to the power 60, 3 to the power 48, 4 to the power 36 and 5 to the power 24. So the smallest one is 5 to the power 24, and the bigger than this is 2 to the power 60, bigger than this is 4 to the power 36, and the greatest one is 3 to the power 48. I hope you got this. Okay, this was for today. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay connected, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Okay, I'll upload more of the contents like this in the future. Thank you.